Hey lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious pav bhaji with ingredients that you can find in the supermarkets here in Lithuania. So in a pan I'm going to add some oil, and then I will be adding about 1 tablespoon of butter, because butter gives that rich flavor in pav bhaji. So I'm gonna add that, and let's wait till the butter melts. And then I'm gonna add some cumin seeds, which is the jeera, and then I will be adding some fennel seeds, which is the saute. You can find saute in some of the Indian supermarkets, Indian stores here in Vilnius. So once I see that the cumin and the fennel seeds are a bit brownish in color, I'm gonna add some onion, chopped ones, and paprika, that is the bell pepper. I'm gonna add them all, and I'm gonna nicely saute it till they are nicely caramelized and they turn into goldenish brown color. So after sauteing it for a couple of minutes, then I'm gonna add some ginger and garlic paste. So I've put approximately 1.5 spoon of ginger and garlic paste here because I like it pretty flavory. So yeah, and keep stirring it for a couple of minutes, and then let it saute real good and change its color. Let it become the goldenish brown color which you want. And then now I'm gonna add some Pav Bhaji Masala. Well, I got this from one of the Indian store here in Vilnius. So you can find it in a couple of Indian stores if it is available in your city. Probably most of the Indians live in Kaunas and Vilnius, so you can find Indian stores there. Then I'm gonna add some salt, then some chili powder. If you don't have the chili powder, you can just put paprika powder, the red paprika powder. But yeah, I kind of like it spicy, so I'm adding chili powder. Then I'm gonna add some turmeric, that is the curcum. And then finally some green chilies. Green chili is an additional step, guys. I like my pav bhaji really spicy, so I'm gonna add it in this step. Yeah, and I'm gonna saute it real good for a couple of minutes, and once I see the masalas are all mixed, I am gonna add some green peas. So this I got from a supermarket here. I'm gonna mix the green peas with all the dry masalas and other contents in the pan real nice, and then keep it stirring and sauteing it for a couple of minutes. So in a pressure cooker, what I've done is I've boiled some cauliflower and potatoes real good. These veggies are nicely boiled, so I'm just gonna smash them up real nice for my pav bhaji. And yeah, keep smashing it for a couple of minutes, but don't just make it into a paste, because you need some chewy texture. So you can see how I've smashed it. There are a couple of hard particles of the veggies, but most of them, 90% of them, are smashed real good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the mashed potato and the cauliflower mixture to my pan, and I'm gonna give it a couple of stirs so that all the contents gets mixed real nice. So now after a couple of stirs, I'm just gonna close the lid of the pan and let it boil for a few minutes. So after a few minutes, I'm gonna add some coriander leaves. One speciality about this coriander leaves is that these are not store-bought, they are homegrown. So I have a mini garden at home where I have my own coriander plants growing, so these are the fresh leaves from there. So for the final touch, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, and I'm just gonna close the pan with the lid and let it cool down. So for pav, I found this in the supermarket. Look at how beautiful and fluffy these buns are. So this is 98% similar to the pav which we get in India. So as you can see, I've heated up my pan and then I am slicing the pav just like you get in Pav Bhaji. Not too deep, just halfway through so that I can like open it. Yes. And then in the heated pan, I'm gonna add some butter. And then I'm gonna toast this pav real nice until it is goldenish brown on all sides. Please make sure to toast it on all 4 sides. Some people like to have pav bhaji without a toasted pav, but this is my personal preference. I kind of like if my pav is nicely toasted and it has some buttery flavor on all sides. So yeah. So as you saw, I toasted the pav from all 4 sides. Look at how beautiful they look like. Look at the golden brown color on outside and on the inside. The pav bhaji is ready, guys. It's ready to eat. I highly recommend you guys to try this recipe. It's a very, very easy recipe. You can get all the ingredients here in Lithuania, here in all the supermarkets. Just look how delicious and yummy they look. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more and more recipes and more contents about Lithuania. Yeah, see you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Love you.